Good day everyone, I am Queenie KP Frontal from Group 1. So for today, I am assigned to demonstrate and observe the appearance and odor of acrolein test using coconut oil and potassium bisulfate. Here are some materials that I'm going to use. The first one is coconut oil, potassium bisulfate, teaspoon for measuring, and a shot glass, transparent shot glass. Since I don't have a test tube, so I'm going to use this one. So first, I'm going to put a potassium bisulfate, 0.5 grams. And a drop of coconut oil. And I'm going to heat this one. So, here are the results after I heated it up. So, it has pungent and has an irritating odor was released when the coconut oil and potassium bisulfate was heated. So, that's all. Bye!
So good day everyone. Today I will be going to experiment the sesame oil and the water. So I have here 1/2 glass of water, tablespoon, and sesame oil. So now I will be going to experiment this one. So 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. Since I don't have a kuan. So tanawan ninyo, ang water is naalang dyan siya sa ubos, while the sesame oil naalang dyan siya sa taas. Dili siya nakalutaw lang dyan siya. Wala siya ni sago sa tubig, wala siya ni unlod sa tubig, but the sesame oil is under the water.
So good day everyone. I will do the solubility test. It is a test in order to know if the fat is soluble, insoluble, or slightly soluble. So the tools that I will need in this experiment are a water, an olive oil, a glass. I don't have test tube in our house, so I will use this as equipment, and then a measuring spoon, which is I don't have pipette. So first, let's put some water. So next is the olive oil. So we can conclude in this test that a water and olive oil put together is an insoluble. Why? Because it creates two layers. A water, this is the water and this is the oil. Even though I put a little oil, it didn't dissolve in the water. So that's all. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Hello everyone, I'm Crystal Joyce R. Aguirang from Group 1. So for today's video, I am assigned to demonstrate and observe the appearance and other of acrolein test using palm oil and potassium bisulfate. And these are the materials that I am going to use. First is this palm oil and this potassium bisulfate. And this one is teaspoon for measuring, and this one is the transparent glass. So first I'm going to put potassium bisulfate 0.5 grams. And the drop of palm oil. And I'm going to heat this one. So here's the result after I heat it up. So the result is same as the coconut oil, pungent. It has irritating odor or smell of acrolein. And what really is when the palm oil and potassium bisulfate was heated. And that's all. Bye.
Hi everyone, I am Jonna Macy Barcena from Group 1, and I am assigned to demonstrate and observe the translucent spot formation and after evaporation of cooking oil. And I have some materials here. Clear bond paper and cooking oil. So, I will put a drop of cooking oil in the clean and clear bond paper. Oils, when brought in contact with a substance like a paper, it penetrates through it, producing translucent spot because oil has a high refractive index. And after evaporation, the transparent spot does not disappear because oil evaporates very slowly. That's all, and God bless.
Hi, I'm Marjorie and Rosa from Group 1 from BSN 1B, and today I'll be experimenting on formation of translucent spot. So for this experiment, I have a cooking oil and baby oil. So we'll be seeing if there is a difference and if they can produce a translucent spot. Okay, so I have here a normal bond paper. Here, a cut piece of a normal bond paper, and now I'll be first pouring just a droplet of this cooking oil. This is particularly a vegetable oil. Okay, that's 1 drop. So we are trying to see if there is a semi-permanent translucent spot, and it seems that it is forming one. Cannot be seen there. There. See, it's semi-translucent. Once the oil is beginning to evaporate. So with that, there. So this oil sitting on top of the bond paper is slowly getting absorbed by it. So before it fully evaporates, it will take so long before this evaporates, unlike if we put water on a bond paper, which could evaporate in a matter of few minutes, but for this one, for oil, it might take several hours or even sometimes days. So that is for the cooking oil. Now for the baby oil. Okay, that's a few drops. Okay, so there. See, it's the same semi-translucent effect in there. But if it is seen in a naked eye, this oil in here, from my view, it looks there's some kind of coloration in it. Though it is the same semi translucent effect in there. See, in my naked eye, you could still see the oil sitting on top that has a bit of a yellowish color, just like vegetable oil, while the baby oil sits really translucent with the oil being clear. There. So in here we have the two experiments side by side. You can see they're translucent. There. So this would probably take hours to evaporate, just like what I said with water and the bond paper. So these are the oils that I used. See how this one is a bit it has more of a yellowish color or hue to it, and this baby oil just has it clear. So there we have it, the baby oil, and you can see just translucent, and the vegetable oil. You can see also the translucent effect, semi-translucent rather. That will be all. Thank you.